This is a quick video to show you how to export different file formats from Autodesk Fusion, including things like DXF and SVG. Keep in mind, this is my process. There's a lot of different ways to do this, but I found this to work really well for the designs that we create. First thing you want to do is open up your Fusion file of the object that you want to export. Then find the part or the body object that you want to export the DXF from. We're going to export it from this side of this 3D printer stand. We're then going to hide everything else that we don't care about right now, just to make things easier so that we know that we're working on the correct part. So we are going to create the DXF from this side of the printer stand. Then using your cursor, you want to hover over a face that's part of this model. You want to right click, the face will turn blue, and you can select this option on this dialog box that pops up called Create Sketch. This will then put you into sketch mode. You can now hit the P key on your keyboard, which will bring up a dialog box called Project. You can also access this dialog by going under the Create menu, Create Project, Include Project. You can now left click on every single face in your object that you want to export into the DXF, making sure that every single face from the largest to the smallest is selected. Once you have all the faces selected, hit OK in the project window, and you can see how all of the edges of those faces have now turned into these purple-ish edges or lines that are part of your sketch. So now you have a sketch with purple lines that represent all of the edges of the body object or the model that you're going to export as a vector-based DXF. If you want to see them a little bit easier, you can go into your hierarchy menu and hide all of the body objects or models. And once you're happy with the result, you can finish the sketch by clicking on the button in the upper right-hand corner here or in the dialog box. This will take you out of sketch mode. Now you're ready to export the DXF from this sketch object. You want to find it in the hierarchy menu, right-click on it, and select the Export DXF option. This will bring up a dialog box. You can check what units, what other visible geometry that you want to export. It will ask you where on your computer you want to save it to. Give it a name, hit save. We're going to save it to our desktop. And that's it. You should have a DXF file that represents all of these edges correctly that you can use in other software. And this process can be repeated for every single object, or needs to be repeated for every single object within your Fusion file. So every single side, top, part, piece that you're working on needs to have this process done to it. Unfortunately, I haven't figured out any automatic way to automatically generate DXF files from every single part coming out of Fusion. If you know of one, please let us know. We'll update this tutorial. I did want to mention though that because you're using a DXF file, you've essentially removed all of the 3D aspects of any design, and this design in particular. So the depth of these dados or screw holes is lost when you're going to a DXF file. There's no way to capture this depth information, at least from what I know, in a DXF file. So whatever software that you're using next, whether it be Xcarve, VCarve, one of the carves, whatever, you're going to need to add this information back in using that particular program by setting these depths when you're doing your toolpaths or when you're setting up that particular file to do your cutting. So we actually don't use any DXF files or any of the vector-based formats like SVG in our CNC cutting. We generate toolpaths directly out of Autodesk Fusion. It gives us a lot more control of depth, and in general, it just works a lot better for our workflow. Also, you might have noticed that I have an option to export SVG as well as DXF. This is just a plugin that you can get from the Autodesk Fusion App Store. It's just a free plugin or a paid plugin. I can't remember if I paid for this or not. Maybe it's like $5 or $10. And this will allow you to export SVGs from any single sketch in your design file. And they give you a lot of different settings. And it's really easy to export an SVG that way. But also keep in mind that SVG is very similar to DXF. It will remove any 3D information and just give you flat vector-based image. That's it for this quick tutorial on how to export a DXF file from Autodesk Fusion. If you're looking for any design files for CNC, laser cutting, 3D printing, please check out our website. We got a bunch of stuff up there, and appreciate you watching. Thanks.